Kobe's game ended at 1 a.m. I got up at 5 a.m. I'm just gonna... Don't mind me. Just... Oatmeal and coffee. That's been the go-to breakfast this week. Getting up this morning was rough. I'm basically just going to eat this, drink this, and then clean myself off because I feel like a gross mess, and then head south to IKEA. It's IKEA time. By the way, this lens, so much better. I feel like I should maybe do... Oh, hey, that looks pretty clean back there. But I feel like I should do something about this first. I have a brilliant idea. And there we go, out of sight, out of mind. So from exactly where I am sitting, IKEA is, with the traffic, 1 hour and 1 minute away. Gas. This girl at the gas station, the pump came out of her car as it was going, so gas just got everywhere. And then she looked at me like, she's looking at me like I'm gonna do something about it. Like, what do you want me to do? Pick the gas up off the ground? I need a map. Got one. This place might be harder to get around than Boston. Yeah. They sent the employees out on me. I'm not in trouble. They were just asking what I was doing. But I got the product. Hopefully that's for 4. These legs were not $15 for 4 of them. They were $15 each. Really, IKEA? $15 each? I guess that's where they get you. I have decided, no. I'm not paying $60 for these legs. I will find different ones, or I will make my own. Sorry, IKEA. Bringing them back. I mean, I got the tabletop, which I'm happy about. I love it, but these legs. Today, Matt gets what he wants. These are much better. $4 a piece. And that's the difference between $100 and $46. I feel better now. Time to drive home. Quick pit stop at my grandparents' house. Gotta get a drill. All right. We'll come back when this is done. We're on the last leg. The final piece. Now it's time to flip this bad boy. The new desk. That's so much bigger. That's so much bigger. Think about this. Think about this. The new desk. Oh, there's so much room. God, there's so much room for activities. Woo, boy. I can't figure out this microphone. Yesterday's video, it was way too quiet. Today's video, it's way too loud. Just can't find that happy medium where it sounds perfect. It sounded fine before when I was using the auto settings. Then it got too loud on the auto settings, so I was like, oh, I'll just do manual settings. Then it got too quiet. Then I upped the manual settings. Then it got too loud. So now I'm back to auto settings. Hopefully it sounds better. There's only one way to find out. Me to edit this footage. Sounds good. I would be extremely full of shit if I said that I was excited about cleaning all of this up. Maybe it can wait till tomorrow. Or not. Beautiful. This is the current desk situation. It is nowhere near completion. Things will be added. Things will be taken off. But I reckon this is good enough for tonight.